Now, we all love the Real Housewives of Atlanta's Portia Stewart. She's in the studio with us right now.
And she's looking fabulous.
Oh, thank you. Y'all have been killing me this morning. I know we got a lot more to go, but I'm loving it.
Let's get it.
So, Portia, people were telling us that your marriage and your relationship to Cordell Stewart was fake just to get on TV. So could you please tell us the truth behind all of this?
Well, it's just crazy. I mean, every day I hear just the craziest things about this situation online. And for me, I just feel like that's the worst thing to possibly do is to play with marriage. It's already hard enough. And for me, the situation is so unfortunate. For people to say that it's fake, that's what hurts. Because it's like, I'm over here really going through this, and everybody's making light of it like it's fake. I wouldn't do that to myself. I wouldn't do it to my son. I wouldn't. It's just not something that.
So they're saying
it
the whole
doesn't make any
relationship
sense.
was fake, or just the fact that you guys are getting a divorce is fake?
I don't know exactly what the rumors are saying. It's something about we tried to fake the divorce to get on the show.
Yeah.
Which doesn't make any sense
No.
at all whatsoever. So.
Yeah, I have to say I'm a fan. I was a big Cordell Stewart.
Come on,
man.
You
man.
still should be.
for
You
real,
still
for real.
should be. He's
Yeah, but he got to treat you right, man.
well, just
I'm-
because we
I'm
didn't
gonna-
work out, I don't feel like
I'm gonna
he's
give
a
away
bad
my.
guy.
I'm gonna give away my number 10 jersey.
Well,
Don't be anti. Don't be anti.
and if you was faking the funk, you would not lawyer up, because we actually have a statement from your lawyer, Randy Kessler, who says, we are continuing our efforts to resolve this matter privately. Unfortunately, the case remains open and pending. Sincerely, Randall Kessler.
Randy,
Basically what he's saying is mind your own damn business. We ain't telling you nothing.
That's right. But I will say this, though, Portia. I mean, I'm not promoting or advocating for anybody, but if you were to divorce, I mean, Ricky is available, and you're a pretty girl. You're the profile.
That's right. Hey, I played high school football. I did play quarterback.
I'm not taking applications at this time. However, thank you for applying.
Okay, well here, you just hold on to my hand.
Yes.
Let me sign it.
Sign that.
Yeah. Hey, fellas, get your applications in just in case. When it's over, hey, you might have a shot. She's gonna look through the application.
You are a mess.